Hello everyone, welcome back to Kriti Physics classes, and today's lecture is very interesting because it's full of numericals only, and numericals are based on what? Length formula that we did in the last class. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So this is for 10th standard. So without any further ado, we will start it. Okay, so just see. First question we will do numericals on the length formula, and the question is what, bacha? A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. I will write the important terms only from the numerical because it takes too much time to write the full numerical and then to solve this. So I am dictating it. You can listen. Okay. So a concave lens has focal length 15 centimeter. Concave lens, focal length 15 centimeter. It is given. Then at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? V is given 10 centimeter. U is, question is asking that what is the distance of object. Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Magnification also. So this was the question. I hope you got it. Again I am dictating it. A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. We need to find out the magnification also. So what we need to do now, these are the things that is given in the question. बच्चे concave lens, focal length negative होगा या positive होगा? Negative होगा. Very good. Focal length is negative, minus 15 centimeter. V, distance of the image from the optical center. In case of the concave, always what kind of the image? Virtual image. If this was the concave lens, image हमेशा कहाँ बन रही थी? इसी तरफ बन रही थी. You know, when it was going like this and the point meeting. So here was the image. It was always virtual, erect, and it was always in the left hand side. So V is also negative. What we need to tell? U and M. So कैसे करेंगे? Very simple. तुम सबको पता है. Formula सबको पता है. And we can simply do this. So let's start. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So we need to calculate U. Take this 1 by V minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by U. This will be the formula. 1 by V, 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by F minus 15 minus plus 15 is equal to 1 by U. Take LCM bacha 30. 3 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by U. You will get minus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by U, and when you will reciprocate this, you will get U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So what is this? This is the distance of the object, and why it is negative? Because object is always in the left hand side, so it will always be negative. So U is minus 30, V is minus 10, F is minus 15. Now question is asking about the magnification. Simple formula. M is equal to what? V by U. V is what bacha? Minus 10. U is what? Minus 30. Minus cancel. It will be 1 by 3, or we can say 0.333. This will be the magnification. Magnification doesn't have any unit, you know, because in the formula height of the image divided by height of the object. So unit क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel out. There will be no unit for the magnification of the lens or the magnification of the mirror. So मैग्निफिकेशन कैसा आया? पॉजिटिव. सो अभी जो लास्ट क्लास थी उसमें जो हमने टेबल किया था, लास्ट में जो टेबल किया था, दैट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो उस टेबल में हम लोगों ने मैग्निफिकेशन लिखा था. कॉनकेव लेंस में मैग्निफिकेशन हमेशा क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. सो दैट्स ट्रू फ्रॉम हियर आल्सो. ओके, सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नाउ इफ यू विल मूव टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सो इट विल बी, so question number 2 is a 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. 2 centimeter tall object. It means height of the object is given 2 centimeter. This thing is given. Perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Convex lens है, focal length 10 centimeter है. Then the question is saying the distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. U is given 15 centimeter. Question is saying find the nature, position, size of the image. Also find the magnification. We need to tell everything. V, and we need to tell the nature of the image also, and magnification also. See, so question was what? Again I will dictate. 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position, size of the image. Size of the image means H2. H height also we need to calculate. Okay, so these are the things that we need to calculate. Firstly, the lens is what? Convex lens. Focal length is always positive, plus 10 centimeter. U is always negative, minus 15 centimeter. Height of the object is always positive, that is 2 centimeter given. We need to calculate first V. Use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So क्या हो जाएगा? Plus 1 by U. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Put the values. 1 by F. 1 by 10 plus. यहाँ पे minus है 15. Take LCM 33 minus 2. So 1 by 30. And from here we can say V is equal to 30 centimeter. Now one thing to clear very much from here, that V is positive, it means image is what? Real and inverted. Because in case of the convex lens, it is real and inverted, that's why it comes positive. V we got, U we got. Now find out the magnification. Magnification is V by U. V is 30, U is minus 15. So M is what? Minus 2 bacha. Now you all know M is height of image divided by height of object. So height of object we know 2 centimeter, M we know minus 2. HI will be what? M into H no, that is 2 into minus 2, minus 4 centimeter. So this is the question and we got height of image minus 4 centimeter, V 30 centimeter, magnification minus 2. Nature कैसा है? Real and inverted. And it is enlarged because object size is 2 centimeter, image size is 4 centimeter, so it is enlarged, it is real, it is inverted. These are the characteristics of the image. So easy questions now. We will start with the easy and then we will move to some very important topics. That are related to these lens formulas. See बच्चा, next question करने से पहले एक छोटा सा topic रह गया है, that is power of a lens. So that I want to tell, power of a लेंस, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल जो है उसमें ये पूछा है. पावर ऑफ अ लेंस इज व्हाट बच्चा? पावर ऑफ द लेंस इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ द लेंस टू अकोमोडेट और वी कैन से टू सी द थिंग्स क्लियरली. सो दैट पावर इज ऑलवेज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द फोकल लेंथ. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ओके, इफ इट इज इन मीटर, but if you are finding the power and you know the focal length in centimeter, so formula will be this. If focal length is in centimeter, you will use this formula. Simple. Centimeter होगा तो 100 ऊपर होगा यहाँ पे, and if it is meter, so 1 by f. Power of any lens is reciprocal of the focal length of the given lens. Okay? Or you can say power को अगर वैसे define करना है तो simply it is the inability of the lens to converge or diverge the image formation. Okay? Actually, Viraj came in between, my son, so that's why I had an interruption. Sorry for that. Okay, so what I was telling, power of a lens. Power is what? Power is the inability of the lens. Due to that, it converges or diverges the ray of light, and it's simply reciprocal of the focal length of the lens, given lens. Okay. Now see बच्चा, power जो है उसको जो measure करते हैं, that unit is known as the diopter. You can simply write it with the capital D. And one diopter is equal to 1 meter per meter, not 1 meter, per meter. Okay, simply diopter is the unit of power and it is equal to 1 divided by meter because it is reciprocal of the focal length and it is the inability of the lens to converge or diverge the ray of light. Now tell me, you all know focal length of convex lens is positive, so power of convex lens is also positive. Power of convex lens is always positive and power of concave lens is negative. So if you are having glasses and we can simply say that power of those glasses, like numbers are there, -2 or -3, like this straight. Okay, so I give water to Viraj and now we will start with this. What I was saying, convex lens power is positive and concave lens power is what? Negative, because focal length of concave lens is what? Negative. Focal length of convex lens is what? Positive. Okay, so according to that we can write down the power. And if you want to, if there is combination of the lenses is given and question is asking about the power of combination. For example, there are two lenses, one is convex and the another one is also convex or the concave, that depend on the situation. Question में क्या दिया हुआ है? And if they are asking the power of combination, so very simple बच्चा, always remember net power is equal to sum of individual powers of the lenses, like this. जो भी आपको दिया है. For example, question can say that there are two lenses, one is convex, one is concave, they are connected together and the convex one is having plus 5 diopter and the concave is having minus 3 diopter. So what will be the net power of the combination? So plus 5 minus 3, what will happen? It will be 2 diopter, net power of that combination. So I hope you got the concept of the power, and now let's move to the next numerical. So next question is, bacha, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 2 diopter, plus 2 diopter, a corrective lens prescribed by the doctor that is having power plus 2 diopter. Question is saying, find the focal length of the lens and tell that it is converging or diverging. So we need to tell the focal length. Now very simple, diopter is the unit when we are taking the focal length in meter. So from here, if you want to calculate it in the meter, so it will very simple. Focal length will be what? 1 by 2 and it will be 0.5 meter. But if you want to convert it into centimeter, so it will be 50 centimeter. That will be the focal length. 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter. Now focal length is what? Focal length is positive. So focal length is positive, it means power is positive, so focal length is also positive. And focal length positive कौन से lens का होता है? Concave or convex? It is convex lens. Okay. So this is convex lens, and convex lens is what? Converging. Simple now? Yes. For example, if the question was saying that it is minus 2 diopter, so what happened? Then the focal length is negative. Focal length negative is of concave lens, and that is diverging lens. Okay. So these kind of the questions of power also there. Next question is, a concave lens has focal length of 12 centimeter. Next question, bacha. Concave lens. Concave lens. Question is given. Focal length 12 centimeter. Focal length 12 centimeter is given. And yes, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 8 centimeter from the lens? So image means V distance is given 8 centimeter. U object distance you need to calculate. And then question is saying also find the magnification produced by the lens. Also we need to calculate the M. This is similar like the first question. In today's class we will do some simple questions, and next class we will do higher order thinking questions. Okay, like the questions that come in IIT and JEE. So we will try those questions. Today's class simple because you need to clear first the concept of this, that how you will draw the image and how you will solve this. So concave lens, focal length, V, U, we need to calculate M. Very simple. Formula you know, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So from here, 1 by V minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by U. 1 by V is what? 1 by 8 minus, okay. Concave lens, focal length क्या होगा? Negative. V is what? In case of the concave lens, it is always virtual and erect, so it will be always again negative. V is negative, F is negative. So 1 by minus 8 minus minus plus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by U. So from here, 24, take LCM, 3 minus 3 plus 2. So it will be minus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by U. When you will reciprocate, what you will get? U is equal to what, bacha? Minus 24 centimeter. So U you know, now you need to calculate M. M will be what? V by U. V is minus 8, U is minus 24, minus minus cancel, 1 by 3. So M will be what? 0.33. Yeah, this will be magnification. So this is the question. Now see the next question. Question is, if an object of 5 centimeter height, object height is 5 centimeter given, and it is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a convex lens. Convex lens 15 centimeter, so U is equal to minus 15 centimeter given in the question. Now the question is saying convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length, convex lens is of plus 10 centimeter. This is given. And the question is find the position, nature and height of the image. So again I am repeating the question. If an object of 5 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter, find the position, nature and height of the image. Height of the image, position and nature, यानी कि V भी हम लोगों को कैलकुलेट करना है and nature of the image also. So how you will do, बच्चा? See, 1 by V we need to calculate. So 1 by F plus 10. 1 by b minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by b is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So plus 1 by u minus 15. Take LCM. Plus 3 minus 2. So 1 by 30. From here b is equal to what? 30 centimeter. I think that ये क्वेश्चन भी हमने किया है अभी ना, या कर चुके हैं हम लोग, कोई नहीं फिर से रिपीट करते हैं. b is equal to 30, u is equal to minus 15 and magnification you want to calculate, so b by u it will be minus 2. okay, so height अगर तुम लोगों को निकालना है minus 2 is equal to height of object divided by height of image divided by height of object. Okay, similar question we did. So height of image will be what? Minus 2 into 5. It will be minus 10 centimeter. So what you can say बच्चा, nature कैसा है उसका, image का, height of image negative. So real, inverted, enlarged in size. So these are the questions that we did in today's class. And see, these are the simple questions. जहाँ पे डायरेक्ट आपको u v दिया हुआ है और f given है, and you know out of these quantities, one quantities will be given to you and others they will ask you. So please try these questions. Try your NCERT examples and NCERT exercise questions. Next class we will see some very good questions that comes in competitive exams and we will solve them. Okay, so till the time just be safe, happy, healthy. Thank you so much and please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Please, thank you so much.